flash flood warning for the following
Scared the
counties.
shit out of me.
Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued southwestern Mohave County in northwestern Arizona, San Bernardino County in southern California, until 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 10 p.m. PDT. At 6:50 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 6:50 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Lake Havasu and Parker Dam. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. +95 near Vidal Junction may also be affected. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake Havasu City, Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Parker Dam, Desert Hills, Vidal Junction, Big River, Earth, 3 Dunes Campground, Black Meadow Landing Campground and Cattail Cove State Park.